Meet Luna, a curious young scientist who loves turning everyday kitchen moments into tiny adventures of discovery. She builds a balloon-powered cork boat that glides on a soapy tray, showing how air can push and move. Luna explains that when the balloon releases air, it creates a jet that pushes the boat forward. She tests two balloon sizes and notes, which makes the boat sail faster, inviting viewers to guess. The takeaway is simple yet powerful. Air pressure and motion work together in playful science for curious minds.